today we're showing you how to do our maple sugar and goat milk 64% cacao bar fudge pops. So you will actually need really simple ingredients, and with this hot temperatures that we've been having, this is the best treat. Your kids will love them, you will love them if you try them, but they are definitely kids approved. So here's what you need: are 2 bars or a 64% Aschenti Cocoa chocolate. This is a light dark chocolate. You need some vanilla extract, cornstarch, and some sugar. And the other ingredient is milk, but depending on whether you're vegan or not, you can pick what's best for you, and a pinch of chocolate. So first thing, you need to chop your chocolate. This will make it easier when you actually melt it later on. Feel free to use a sharp knife. And this is what it will look like once you're done with it. And you set it aside in a bowl, and then you move to your next step. So next step is actually dropping the milk into a pan, and then you don't want it to boil it or anything like that, so you control the heat. And then after a few minutes, you just incorporate the chocolate inside, and then you sip it just to make sure you mix everything together. Then you're ready to add your sugar, and following that, the vanilla, and then after that, the cornstarch. Make sure you check out our comments below, and then we'll have all the specific measurements that you need for this recipe. Once you're done sipping and mixing, you make sure you pour everything into your pops mold, and then you're gonna pop everything in the freezer for 8 hours. We recommend doing this for overnight. It's much easier, and especially with the hot temperature, you want to make sure that everything is cooled down really well before you actually remove it to enjoy it. And voila, this is your final result. This is really optional, but you can add some melted chocolate and sip it on top if you like. If not, they're good to go. Bon